Adobe is bringing Premiere Pro to the iPhone. And honestly, it looks like a game changer for mobile creators. Launching September 30th, 2025, the app will be completely free to download, with no ads, no watermarks. You'll get a proper multi-track timeline, unlimited layers, and 4K HDR editing, all packed into your phone. The AI features already built in are really exciting. Expect auto captions, speech enhancement for clearer audio, generative assets from Adobe Firefly, and access to Adobe stock, all from your iPhone. If you work on desktop Premiere 2, you'll love this. You can start editing on your phone and finish on your computer without losing quality or creative control. Seamless workflow, massive win. But it's not all perfect. Editing 4K on mobile could drain your battery and hog storage, especially if you don't pay for additional cloud space. And yes, iPhone 12 or newer is a requirement. Older models and Android users have to sit this one out. For now. Overall, it feels more like real Premiere in your pocket, not just the stripped-down editor. So, would you switch to Adobe Premiere on iPhone when it drops? Or stick with CapCut or LumaFusion? Let me know in the comments.